जय जगन्नाथ। ट्रिगोनोमेट्री क्लास 10 for CBSE students. See the question number 1. See, the question is cos square. See the question, cos square theta minus 1 into tan square theta. So in the place of cos square theta, you know the formula is cot square theta. That is cot square theta into tan square theta. That is your 1. Question number 2, LHS. Root of 1 plus cos A upon root of 1 minus cos A. So you should multiply 1 plus cos root of 1 plus cos A from both numerator and denominator. Okay. So the numerator becomes 1 plus cos A root and then square. Then a denominator 1 minus cos square A root. So then 1 plus root of 1 plus cos square A whole square, that is your 1 plus cos A, and denominator becomes 1 minus cos square, that is your sin square A. Sin square, look, sin square A. Okay. Next 1 plus cos A by the root over of sin square A, that is your sin A. Then you can convert into or broke down into 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. Then 1 by cos A, that is your cosec, 1 by sin A, that is your cosec A, and cos A by sin A, that is your what? Cot A. See the question number 3. You should take from LHS. You applying the formula of A plus B plus C square. The formula is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. By applying this, we will get 1 plus sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A minus 2 sin A cos A plus 2 cos A. 1 at the place of sin square A plus cos square, you should write 1. You know the formula, sin square A plus cos square A, that is a 1. Then 2 sin A minus 2 sin A into cos A plus 2 cos A. From this 1 and 2 you should write, and 2 cos A you should write here, 2 cos A minus 2 sin A minus 2 sin A into cos A. From these two you should take common as 2. Okay. Next 2 you should take common 2 sin A. Okay. Next from this expression you should take common 1 plus cos A from these two, 1 plus cos A whole in 2 minus 2 sin A. Then from this you should take common 2, then 2 whole into 1 plus cos A, 1 minus cos A. Okay. So next is your see question number 4 LHS. Sin A by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A or theta by sin theta. You should take our LCM of this to 1 plus cos A into 1 plus sin A. Then the top or numerator becomes sin square A plus 1 plus cos square theta whole square. So next you should write sin square theta plus 1 in the place of 1 plus cos square 1 plus cos theta whole square. You should write here the formula applying A plus B to A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. So you should write here sin square theta plus A square means 1 square, B square means cos square theta plus 2 into 1 into cos theta, that is your cos theta. So at 1 then sin square theta plus cos square theta, you should write here, then cos square theta. At the place of, look here 1 you should write, then at the place of sin square theta plus cos square theta you should write 1 plus 2 cos theta by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Numerator you should take common 2 whole into 1 plus cos theta, and denominator sin theta whole into 1 plus cos theta. Then 1 plus cos theta can be cancelled from top and numerator and denominator. So the answer will be what? 2 by sin theta. 2 by sin theta is your 2 cosec theta. See the question number 5. Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. Then you should multiply 1 minus sin theta from numerator and denominator. So you will get cos theta whole into 1 minus what cos theta 1 minus sin theta, the numerator, so denominator becomes what 1 minus cos sin square theta. 1 minus sin square, the formula is cos square theta. So cos square theta whole into 1 minus sin theta by cos square theta. Cos theta is cancelled, then we should get the answer of 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, next see the questions. Question number 6. LHS, the root of 1 minus cos square theta into sec square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta, that is your sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta into sec square theta. At the place of the root of sin square theta is sin theta and root of sec square theta is sec theta. Then sin theta, sec theta is your 1 by cos theta, that is your sin theta by cos, that is your tan theta. Okay. Then same number, question number, you should apply from the right side. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square, that is your cosec. At the place of cosec theta you should write 1 by sin theta, and cot theta you should write cos theta by sin theta. Then we should convert or the LCM, take as LCM of sin theta, that is 1 minus, see 1 minus cos square theta whole square, then by sin square theta. So in the place of sin square theta you should write 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta means a square minus b square. The formula will be applied a plus b whole into a minus b, that is your a 1 plus cos theta whole into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta from cancel from numerator and denominator, you will get the answer. Okay. Next question number 8. See what happened. You should find the value of k. You should take the LHS LCM of LHS side, you will get the answer. Okay. Next, cot a whole into 1 minus cosec a minus cot a whole into 1 plus cosec a, that is your numerator, denominator is 1 plus cosec a 1 minus cosec a. Then you multiply cot a minus cot a into cosec a, cot a minus cot a into cosec a, plus cot a minus cot a, it is cancel. Next, that is your 2 cot a into minus 2, that is your minus 2 cot a into cosec a. And denominator can be, if you take minus as common, that is your cos square a minus 1 whole is equal to 1 by k by cos a. In this process you can cancel cot cancel, that is your 2 cosec a by cot a is equal to k by cos a. Okay, 2 cosec a can be 2 whole into cosec a can be converted into 1 by sin a, and cot a, that is 1 by cot a is equal to what, k by cos a. Then next step, 2 into 1 by sin a, then cot a, that is the formula is cos a by sin a, but in this case reverse of cot a means sin a by cos a. Then sin a cancel, you will get the answer 2 by cos a. 2 by cos a is your k by cos a, that is k is your 2. Okay. Next, question number 9. Take from LHS side. Okay, sin x into cos x. See, sin x into cos x, sin x into cos x whole into 5 tan x. Tan x can be converted into sin x by cos x. The formula is given. And 2 cot x converted into cos x by sin x. The formula you know is equal to a plus b sin square x. In next step, you should write sin x into cos x, and from this 5 sin x by cos x plus 2 cos x by sin x, you should take as LCM of sin x and cos x. The LCM is sin x and cos x. Then you should write in numerator 5 sin square x plus 2 cos square x. Okay. Then is equal to a plus b sin square x. Next step, you should cancel this cancel. Then 3 sin the 5 sin square x can be broken down into 3 sin square x plus 2 sin square x plus 2 cos square x, that is your a plus b sin square x. So 3 sin square x, from these two you should take 2 common, then sin 2 whole into sin square x plus cos square x is equal to a plus b sin square x. Okay. In this place, so the value of a is 2 and b is the 3 sin square x means b sin square x, the coefficients are equal. Then a is equal to 2, then b is your 3. Question number 10. You should apply from both sides. First you should take as LHS side 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So how to write 1 by look 1 by tan square theta is your sec square theta, sorry 1 plus tan square theta is your sec square theta, then 1 you should take as common tan square theta as denominator and numerator is tan square theta plus 1, 1 plus tan square theta is your sec square theta, the answer is sec square theta. Okay, and sec square theta plus sec square theta by tan square theta, you take a common of sec square theta, that is sec square theta whole into 1 plus 1 by tan square theta, sec square theta whole into 1 plus tan square 1 plus 1 by tan square theta, 1 by tan square theta convert into cot square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Okay, next from R side, look 1 by sin square theta into sin to the power 4 theta, if you take common as third sin square theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin square theta, you should write here cos square theta, then 1 by sin square theta is your cosec square theta, cos square theta is equal to sec square theta, LHS is equal to RHS side. Okay, next question number 11, look how to convert or how to simplify it. 1 plus cot theta by minus cosec theta whole into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. So 1 plus cot theta, at the place of cot theta you should write sin cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta you should write here 1 by sin theta. Second, 1 plus tan theta converted into sin theta by cos theta, and sec theta converted into 1 by sec theta. From this first you should take common as sin theta, that is your sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Second, you should write your cos theta denominator, and top numerator is sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Okay, from these two you should take, this is the a plus a minus b and a minus b and a plus b. So okay, this is the a plus b, this is the a minus b, or a minus b, it is your a plus b, that is your a square minus b square formula. Then denominator is sin theta into cos theta, then a square minus b square, the formula of a square, that is you should apply a plus whole square, so a sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 whole into sin theta into cos theta minus 1, at the place of sin square theta plus cos square theta you should apply 1, you know the formula, then 1 minus 1 cancel, what will be left 2 sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta, we cancel, that is your answer is 2. Question number 12, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2, tan square theta plus cot square theta, 2 into 2 broke down into 1 plus 1, to 1 plus tan square theta and 1 plus cot square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is your sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is the cosec square theta. Okay, next let's decide from the 13 number, tan theta minus cot theta. So tan theta converted into sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta converted into cos theta by sin theta. So the LHS LCM can be written as cos theta into sin theta, and numerator can be written as sin square theta minus cos square theta. Then sin square theta, cos square theta, again we can convert it into 1 by 1 minus of sin square theta, then cos square theta minus we multiply minus 1 plus sin square theta, then sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Question number 14, see sec square theta, look sec square theta minus 1 minus sin square theta by tan square theta, at the place of sec square theta you should write 1 plus tan square theta minus sin square theta by tan square theta. Here we should write 1 by tan square theta plus tan square theta by tan square theta minus sin square theta by tan square theta. 1 by tan square theta, that is your cot square theta, sin tan square theta by, look tan square theta by tan square, that is your what, your 1, another is then sin square theta minus sin square theta by cot tan square theta, sin square theta, then tan square theta can be written into the sin square theta by cos square theta, but in this case the reverse of tan square theta, you should write your cos square theta by sin square theta, then sin square cancel, then you will get the answer. Okay, question number 15, next question. Similarly you should write 1 minus cos a plus sin a by sin a plus cos a minus 1. If you take, this is a and this is b, that is a minus b, you should multiply a plus b from numerator and denominator, so you multiply sin a plus cos a plus 1 with denominator and numerator both. Okay, you should have multiply this top. Okay, multiplication, then cos a cancel, so cos minus cos a sin a minus cos a sin a cancel, what will be left, look 2 sin a, look sin a, that is your 2 sin a, that is your 1 Okay, then minus cos square a plus sin square a, and numerator can be written as a, sorry, denominator a plus b rho, applying a plus b rho whole square. So you should have 1 plus, or that is your sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1. At the place of sin square theta plus cos square theta, you know the value 1, 1 cancel. The top is 2 sin a plus 2 sin square theta. Look, 1 minus sin, the formula is 1 minus the formula 1 minus the formula 1 minus cos square theta is your sin square theta, then plus sin square theta. Okay, that is your 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta by what, 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, then the 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, from the top you should take common of 2 sin theta, 2 sin a, 1 plus sin a, or sin 2 sin a whole into 1 plus sin a by what, 2 sin a into cos a. 2 sin a cancel, then 1 plus sin a by cos a. Okay, next question number 16. Take the LHS. Cosec theta you can convert into 1 by sin theta, and sin theta minus, so you whole into sec theta minus cos theta can be written as 1 by cos theta into sec theta. Then you take LCM of this, sin theta 1 minus sin square theta, then second is cos theta, then 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta can be converted into cos square theta by sin theta. 1 minus cos square theta is converted into sin square theta by cos square theta. They cancel, you will get the answer. From RHS side you should apply, or any other, 1 by tan theta plus cos theta. Tan theta can be converted into our sin theta by cos theta, and cos theta can be converted into what, cos theta by sin theta. You take LCM, that is your sin, numerator is sin square theta plus cos square theta. 1 by 1, at the place of sin square theta plus cos square theta you should apply 1. So 1 by 1 sin theta into cos theta, that is your sin theta into cos theta. From the question number 17, take the LHS. Sin a plus 1 by 1 minus sin a root plus root over of 1 minus sin a upon sin a plus 1. You should write the breakdown into the root 1 plus, sorry, cos sin a plus 1 root by 1 minus sin a root plus 1 minus sin a root by 1 plus sin a root. Then you should take as LCM of this, LCM. Hello. Okay, LCM, we multiply 1 plus sin square a, or a root of 1 plus sin square a. Okay, next is 1 minus sin square a, the root and square. So we should write 1 plus sin a, root and square, that is cancel, 1 plus cos a, sorry, sin a, 1 minus sin a by numerator is can be, so denominator can be written as into 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a, that is your 1 minus sin square a, so sin square theta. So sin a cancel, that is 2 by cos square, so 2 by cos theta, that is your sec theta. Okay, that's all.